If Bruce Wayne wore Nike sneakers, I think he'd be wearing these.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with another banger to review. We are having a look at the Air Max 90 in triple black. Now I do get a lot of requests for this channel and I'm open to it, but this video was way overdue. There were so many people commenting asking for this review. But way back last year I did actually buy these, but little did I know I ordered the wrong size. I actually ordered a 9 in the women's, so it come up as a 7.5 UK men's size, and that wouldn't work for me bruh, so I had to send them back and I couldn't really review them like I normally would. Now these do retail over here in the UK for £120, and where I can I will leave some purchase links down below as well. Now if you've been watching long enough, I scream so much about the Air Max 90 being my favourite Air Max of all time. And out of my collection I think I own most Air Max 90s, I own about 6 of them, and I just can't get enough, especially the recraft version. And this is exactly what this sneaker is. But before we dive any deeper into this silhouette, let's have a little look at the box. And as you can see, it is your red standard Nike one, and the product sticker does read Air Max 90, and the official colorway is black, black, black and white. Now I don't know about you broskies, but I can't really see white on this sneaker. Maybe they've got the product sticker wrong, but hey, we move. But touching on the sizing before we have a closer look at the silhouette, it is very standard in terms of sizing, and if you've got any other Air Max 90s before, these fit very much true to size just like those. But if you've never owned an Air Max 90, these are true to size anyway. I go size 9 with all my Air Max 95s, 97s, Air Max 90s and 1s as well. So my advice is stick true to size. Now I know what you're thinking, this sneaker may have a little bit of a reputation. Not as much as the Air Max 95s or the Air Max Plus aka TN. I feel like triple black sneakers really get a bad reputation just because it is everyone's go-to. And especially for those people who do things they shouldn't be doing. But hey, I'm not one to judge. That's for another time, another day, another video. This sneaker is so versatile, you could wear these to school, to work, and just pull off as your everyday sneaker. But if you're still unsure, let's take a closer look at this sneaker. Now it is a very standard setup in terms of its design. It is of course the same style, but where things do differ a little bit from other styles in all black to the Air Max 90 is of course the materials used. One thing that stands out straight away is the nubuck materials on the mudguards and the Nike swooshes. You have to take extra care of nubuck materials on sneakers, otherwise they'll be ruined forever. Now the only other panel with nubuck is of course where the toe box is and the laces are. It's got that little strip right at the bottom, but other than that it's mainly of this synthetic leather and of course this mesh. So you could really beat these to the ground and they'd still look pretty decent. But making our way to the laces, these do come in these flat black laces with this TPU cut out to the lace holes as well. Now this being a recraft, it does come with this puffy tongue as well, and it does have a nylon feel to it with the Nike Air Max branding on top of it. And on the insole it is also black with the Nike Air branding in sort of an off black color. Again, we've got the Nike Air branding at the back like most other Air Max 90s do have, on top of this rubber panel. And making our ways to the midsole, of course it is of that classic Air Max 90 look and feel. The comfort is right up there in my opinion. I could easily wear these all day and not feel a thing, but there are some other people that don't really rate the Air Max 90 as much as I do, but I guess it's all down to personal preference. And finishing off on this outsole, again we've got the same setup to the Air Max 90 in this waffle black design. This Air Max 90, even though it's in all black, there's just something about it that you don't really see every day. Most Air Max 90s that I have seen in all black, they're mostly of that leather material and they don't really look too appealing compared to these. But of course broskies, we've come to that part of the show where I have to decide whether these are a buy or a buy. Okay kids, you already know, I know, you know, I know, you know. Hold on, let's slow down a minute. I know, you know, I know the answer. That's where I was going with it. Now if you're looking for an all black Nike sneaker, especially a comfortable one, then I don't think you could get any better than this. The lightness to this silhouette and of course the colorway is very traditional from an Air Max 90. The only slight differences is of course the shape, like the tongue and the toe box for example, they're more cut nicely. I feel like the new school Air Max 90s are a bit too narrow and sharper in my opinion. Yes, they do look good, but the recraft versions are more my cup of tea. But I can't really say much more than I've already said about the Air Max 90. They are very comfortable, they look stylish, and you can pull them off with so many different fits. And the Air Max 90 in all black are on sale quite often, so you could get yourself a nice little bargain. But overall broskies, I don't think I can fault this sneaker one bit. Yes, the nubuck materials may need some looking after, but if you are on top of that, then Bob's your uncle, these are good to go. Of course, overall, I have to give this sneaker a buy. But I am interested to know what you think about this silhouette. Is this the all black sneaker you have been looking for? Are you still weighing up your options in terms of getting an all black sneaker? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best comments. Anyways, my broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Hit me up on my IG as well because I'm most active on there. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And of course, till the next episode, take care.